Come in?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So who lives here? Was it you and this gentleman here?
Inside the house, the team encountered two men who are both foreign nationals and immediately admit to being in the UK illegally.
He came to look for work 2 years ago.
And how did he enter the UK?
England lorry. Yeah, via lorry.
I asked him when did he arrive here?
OK, Turlock, you are now under arrest. You didn't have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
The team have found more than they bargained for. Both men are arrested for entering the UK on the back of a lorry. Now their rooms can be searched too.
Okay, sit on the floor. Sit. Okay. Where do you have any paperwork? Okay, no problem. Myself and my colleague are going to look around. Okay, we'll ask you questions. If you show us the paperwork, we don't need to look.
The man claims to have no paperwork, so the team will have to search the entire room.
Sometimes these things happen. We go to a home address, and obviously we've got the power to come here because we've arrested the person. They've provided this as their home address, their place of residence. So when we come back here, we've encountered another two working here. We've had a quick chat to them and found they're actually in the country illegally. So they've been arrested on suspicion. So we're now having a search through their room.
Is this your bag?
Is this your bag?
Yes.
Next door, the officers have forced entry to one of the bedrooms.
So we've gained entry to this room. This is the room for the guy who was arrested down at the factory. I found all his pay slips, so we know we're in the right room. So hopefully we'll find a passport for him. Have you done all these, Paul?
I haven't gone through the details.
Oh, right.
In the third bedroom, Officer Viv has found an asylum registration card, which appears to give the owner the right to work in the UK.
I mean, this particular one, it's got employment permitted, and from my phone call that my colleague made to the Home Office earlier on, there was no trace of this gentleman on Home Office records. So this card would appear to not been issued by the Home Office.
Viv's just found a counterfeit art card. Usually the art cards have got employment prohibited on them. You'll see on this one it's got employment